Okay, everyone, let's start playing with Drift Scramble. Now, this is going to be a pretty short video because it's pretty simple. And and it's pretty much identical between the Drift Stacks and Drift Pro. So there's not too many differences here. Obviously, with Drift, we're looking at the default, just the Drift Scramble stack here. And here you can change, just like all the other Drift tech stacks, you can change the tag and you can add some classes to it if you like. So by default with Scramble, you'll notice that on page load, it will, essentially unscramble that text. And you can give it the final text that you want here. Okay. Now, the characters that you want, you can either do uppercase. So basically that just shows you all the text that is the scrambled, kind of the encoded text is all uppercase. You can do all lowercase, all upper and lowercase, and then you can do custom. And custom basically allows you to define exactly what characters you want. So if you want a bunch of X's and O's, you can do that. The old class and the new class, these settings allow you to customize basically with Foundation 6 if you want to style the encoded text, so on and so forth. That would be the old class. And then the new class would be the class added to the text after the encoding. So there's an example of that in the Drift Pro demos in the project file. You can check that out. And then those classes are styled using Foundation 6 swatches, or you can use CSS if you like, if you don't have Foundation 6. Next is adaptive sizing. And this essentially just adapts the sizing of the X's and O's or of the encoded text. In this one sentence, it's not going to be too different here. Okay. But yeah, it's just adapting the sizing to your text a little bit better. The next is replace by word, which basically, replaces one word at a time instead of individual characters. I particularly think the individual characters just looks a lot better. And then we have right to left. So if you're using a right to left language, this will go from right to left instead of the traditional left to right replacements. And then the reveal delay, you can add a little bit of delay and you can change the speed at which the letters kind of encode and jumble up and stuff like that. Okay. So that really is all it is to Scramble. It's pretty simple, easy to use, and I hope you enjoy it. Take care, everyone. Bye.